Hi guys, Richard at Orange Campers, and now winter, well, autumn's here definitely, and winter's close behind. So quick video just to show you some tips or some things you might need for winter. So the best sort of start for getting your van ready for winter, habitation check. Now habitation check will iron out any sort of weaknesses in your van, and especially what we do, we really do a good thorough habitation check. We get it on a ramp, we re-underseal the gas tank, check all the bracket work underneath. You know, if anything needs recoating, we'll coat it again underneath, so we know everything's rust free and stays on top of it, because you're better preventing something rather than trying to cure it after it's already happened. So a habitation's good, but that goes throughout the entire van, make sure everything's working and prevents any sort of serious things happening. So that's always a good option first. And then there's other little bits you can have as well to get your van winter ready, because we don't stop using our vans over winter. You know, we still love to use the van over winter, and because you've got heaters and everything in the vans now, all our vans come with heaters. Or if you've got your own van and you're looking for habitation, you know, you're welcome to come to us as well. But so some of the nice things we use over winter, the external thermal wrap. That's a really good aid. Even if you've got Remis cab lines like we have in this demonstrator, they're great for summer, for quick use, for speed, but you can't beat the external thermal wrap, what goes around the windows over winter. It stops all the condensation inside your van, so as soon as you take it off, you're ready to drive away. There's no condensation internally, and it is wet most of the time, because you know it's obviously been raining over winter and so on. You just give it a shake, comes in a bag, shake it off, put it in the bag, it's fine. You know, use it next time. Or if you're staying on a site for a few days, you just unvelcro the center panel for the big window at the front, and that can fold down, and you don't have to mess about taking it on and off every day if you're not moving off site. So that's a nice thing, and lots and lots of lighting and things like that. So the thermal wrap's a really good option. Another option is, like we've got on this demonstrator, is the fly net. If you've not got one of these already fitted, these are great for winter use, because not even just for midges, just keeping daddy long legs, moths out of there, things like that, they really do work well. So that's a great aid. That works really well over winter. And we also do a thermal wrap for the pop top if you're still using it sleeping up there over winter, like we do a lot of the time with the boys in there. We have a thermal wrap made exactly the same for the external as we do for the front window. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Check out the website for further details. And I have a pair of little telescopic ladder, and what folds up nice and small, that gets me up to the outside of a van, and you can just hook it round the hinges. It's, you know, there's a little bit of work there, but it's worth it, because especially if you're not moving, you can leave it up in the daytime and just leave it set up. Cuts down the noise and keeps a lot of the heat in. You know, as soon as you get it on, you notice a massive difference with the pop tops. So we do Wi-Fi, so you could have a Wi-Fi antenna fitted to your van. And you know, if you're in the van more and you're watching TV or Netflix or something, you know, Wi-Fi is a great thing. Or if you're working from your van, like we do a lot of the time, you know, you can get a Wi-Fi booster, and that gives different antennas, but usually 5 times stronger than a mobile phone. So if your phone is run out of signal, usually you can still get Wi-Fi, because your antenna makes it much stronger to use, so that's really good. Plus you can unclip it and carry it in your pocket and use it everywhere like a mobile router. So it's very useful, especially if you've got multiple users on it as well. So that's a great thing. Heated seats. Now heated seats are one of my favourite extras. I love a heated seat, and you just don't have to rush to put the heating on in the van, you know, if you've got heated seats. So you can have heated seats fitted, and you know, to any seat afterwards, so that'll be nice. And you know, you can enjoy the warmth of the seating and so on. So that's another extra you can have on there. Hot water, you know, you could have hot water fitted, things like that. If you wanted hot water for showering, we do an outside shower where you can rinse off your muddy boots, things like that, and you could have hot water as well, even as a you know, as an optional extra afterwards. You know, you don't have to always have hot water built into your van, you can have it afterwards as well. And then we've got you know, we've got different thermal mattress toppers you can buy now. They're amazing nowadays what you can get. You can get heated, well, ones that produce heat or cold, things like that. We've just had some single toppers for these new medium, and that works really well. And then you can push them together, put the fitted sheet on, use them as a double topper, so that works, but it gives you the flexibility of all that. You can have the radio upgrade if you've got one of these Peugeots or Fiats with a 5-inch radio. Then you could have the big 9-inch upgrade, and with that you get an extra pair of speakers in the back, which is a great optional upgrade. It lets you use Android Auto still and everything, and that's a nice upgrade to have for winter use. And we wire that to the rear batteries, your leisure batteries, so you can have it on more and have it on longer, you know, so that works really well. But if you want to come and see us, we're always having open days and things, or you can just give us a call and pop and see us at the workshop, and you're always welcome to pop in. So give us a call, drop us an email.